Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to unlock shapes in Word so you can freely move, resize, edit and delete them. This tutorial is perfect for fixing lock, diagrams, stack object, group shape, graphics and protected design elements in Word documents. If your shapes are not moving or cannot be selected properly, this guide will help you to solve issue quickly. So let's get started. At first I have to open your document. We can see here no shape, and I find the all document. Here no shape. Now I go the insert menu and go to the shape option and insert a shape. Then go to the format menu, click the selection pane. Then I go another page. Then you can see here a locked shape, this invisible. Now I am visible. This we can see, we unlock them. Then I go another page and visible them. Now I am go another page and we can see here a shape. Now we can see we unlock many shape easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.